Did you know that spirits had to have their senses restored for their journey through the afterlife in ancient Egypt? There was a ritual called the opening of the mouth ceremony. During this ritual, different acts were performed in order to aid the spirit in different facets of regenerating itself for its journey through the afterlife. Different gods and goddesses were invoked in order to restore the spirit's senses. This included Lady Isis in order to regain the ability to speak, and Sobek to regain the ability to see. These senses and their accompanying capabilities were important, for there were many trials to be held as a spirit continued on its journey.